Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two 3D printing giants, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Let's break it down and see which one is the best fit for your needs. First up, let's talk resolution. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS offers an incredible 22 micrometers resolution, making it perfect for detailed and realistic 3D models. Reviewers praise its ability to produce high-quality prints with fewer layer lines. On the flip side, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE doesn't focus as much on ultra-fine detail, but it still provides decent print quality for most projects. In this category, the Sonic Mini 8KS takes the crown for its exceptional resolution. Next, we have speed. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE shines here with a max speed of 250 millimeters per second, making it one of the fastest in its class. Users love how quickly it can complete prints, which is perfect for those who need to produce multiple items in a short time. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, while precise, isn't as fast, and some reviewers note that it takes its time to ensure quality. Therefore, in terms of speed, the Ender 3v3 SE is the clear winner. When it comes to ease of use, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is highly praised for its quick and straightforward assembly process, auto-leveling feature, and ease of filament loading. Many reviewers find it user-friendly, especially for beginners. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS also has a user-friendly interface and is compatible with most slicers, but its assembly isn't as effortless. Hence, the Ender 3v3 SE wins this round for its simplicity and ease of use. Finally, let's discuss special features. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS has an open-source system and is known for its high-quality prints at an affordable price. Reviewers appreciate its compatibility with various slicers and overall performance. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE boasts features like dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts for stability and precision. It also offers great after-sales service, which many users find reassuring. In this category, both printers have their unique strengths, but the Ender 3v3 SE's additional features give it a slight edge. Reviewers generally find the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS to be an excellent choice for detailed and high-quality prints, though it requires a dedicated space and some adjustments. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its speed, ease of use, and overall reliability, despite some minor software issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which 3D printer you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, keep buying smart.